The new moon is a time of new beginnings. This is a time of setting intention for the month ahead and resetting our energy. As the moon grows in light, so does our intention, and it peaks at the time of the full moon. To make the most of it, here's a simple 3-minute way to perform a simple intention-setting ritual to manifest your desires. Take a moment to first align with the present moment and quiet your mind. I usually do this by breathing exercises or a simple meditation beforehand. All you'll need to perform this ritual is a pen and paper, a fire-safe container, a lighter or matches, and your intention. As you prepare for the ritual, take a moment to sit and think about what you want to manifest. It could be something specific or something general and vague. Whatever it is, you want to think on it and put your intention into it as you write it on the paper. For mine, I'm just manifesting positive energy in general. You can also write as many things as you want on the piece of paper. After you write it down, hold it in your hands tightly and visualize this intention coming into reality. Visualize what happens when it comes true. Visualize it happening. This will help to bring it to life. After you have taken your time to set your intention and fully send it into the paper, you can put it in your fire-safe container and burn it. Be very careful with this step and make sure you keep monitoring it at all times to avoid any issues with the fire. As it ignites, focus on the thought of your manifestation igniting into reality and releasing into the universe to come back to you. Keep your faith alive in that intention. Reflect on it often and trust in the power of the universe and the power of yourself. And understand that you have all that you need within you to manifest your dream life.